one did you say you wanted to do? Okay. Remind me which book you wanted to do. Can't be productive.
Yeah, I guess you just. Right?
I am.
Provide us confirmation emails by 9 a.m.
So we're all.
Hi, Hamza. Yes, I did talk to Catalina Garcia. We're getting what's a 313. Media, because the way we could. To be available to somebody, always having to, like, you know, all of the shit that comes to you. Because we're trying to figure out what's happening.
They wait till the next vehicle comes or whatever, but we're gonna cancel it so that they can do route home or wherever they're gonna go.
All right, no, we're gonna load them back up. We have another kid to pick up, and we need to get.
I literally was like, be like Cody. I literally was